Okay, today we're going to try to attempt this. Christmas ornament can be used for either a gift topping, a card, or what I'm going to use it for is a Christmas tree decoration, in which you would have to put your hanging string through one of these holes or create a little loop. Alright. Now, I have already started on some leaves. Okay, now I need one more large one, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And the procedure for the small ones is the same as the large, but you use different sizes, which I will inform you of when we're finished with this one. Okay. So, I want to start with this centerpiece. That will be 25 online. Yep. Maybe it's 20. I'm sorry, 20. So, now, what I do to make things a little easier is, you see this yellow, like dividing the leaves. I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of the gold on the end here. You don't need much, maybe about this. I just tear it off. It sticks easier on the torn part. And the glue. And I'm using a whole strip of the white for this. And where's, oh yeah, try to keep a little cloth, a wet one and a dry, which is just the baby white. Alrighty, and then we start to quill it. I know my methods are probably different, but it gets the job done. Oopsie. And we're going to make 2 of the size 15s. And I use one strip. You can use a half if you want. I'll show you a half and see what, if you like it or not. I like mine kind of full, so I use a whole strip. When we got to glue the gold edge on this one as well. was a half a strip for this, so looks pretty good. You should really let this dry thoroughly, but for time reasons, I'm going to go ahead and do something I'll probably regret, is roll it up anyway. It's not that wet. I'll just use smaller amount of glue you use, the faster it will dry. Some more 15 spaces up here. Alright. What I do when I try to pull these things out is the shape. Oh, see, escaping already. Grab it. Oh, hope you do. Alright. Grab it here and glue it. Oh. Okay, now we're going to make a teardrop shape. Will it eventually turn when you stick the other sides onto it, look like an oblong. I just like to hold my coil in the middle and squeeze these edges. So you want to give it kind of a little point because this will be the top of the leaf, but not too much. Do the same with the smaller ones. Now you do kind of want them to be the eye shape. Hold it in the middle and push down, not so hard. And I'm going to put a bend into this so it'll fit around the sides. And see how that kind of sticks out when you do that? I just kind of work it on out so it'll have a nice point on the edge. Alright. Now, I am going to start at this end up here, which will end up being the top of the leaf. So you want to come down from the point just a bit. I'll leave mine like this until it dries, and then come back and push it in. I'll do the same on the other side. A little bit longer. Alright. So I do see mine look a little bit smaller than this, but that's because I've been mashing on it, trying to get the glue to stick. But you can just pull it out just a bit and very gently so you get a even size. Now we want to wrap this whole outside in a strip of gold. So I'm not going to use the whole strip. I just maybe wrap it, definitely wrap it once and maybe twice. Once usually does good, so I'm a cheapskate and try to use as less of my strips as possible because they're difficult for me to get. I live in a small town. And I'm also El Cheapo. Okay. And we'll tip off the little tail. See, one wrap around looks sufficient. Alrighty. Let's make a gentle little point here. Okay, and as you can see on this one, I have a glitter here and there, just very minimal amount. It's up to you. If you want to coat it totally, that's fine. If you don't want to use any at all, that's fine. But while I'm at this stage, I go ahead and put the little bit of glitter on there, because it's easier doing it this way than trying to dump this in your glitter or put the glitter on here. So, this is my way. I see which end I want to be the tip. Let's see, this I'm just gonna like minimally, just a little bit here. I have my glitter up here, so a little bit, and dip it. Of course, flip it off. And that's all I want. Like I said, you may want more or whatever, and it's not on every leaf, just a couple. That might be a little bit too pointy there. Uh-oh, messing it up. So I'll just leave it. I'll fix it later. For time's sake, I'll throw it together now and perfect it later. There you go. That's just a couple little pieces. I'm tapping off the excess. Okay.